Okay, so we are standing at the Oliver. This is an open house today, so there's gonna be all sorts of people inside, but I really wanted to show you guys because this is a cool investment. This is actually built as a 12-bedroom hotel. This 3-bay garage here actually has already permitted for 3 levels of condos above it. So that's really cool. Now we'll go on inside, we'll show you everything else. Very cool courtyard here. Check this out. This is like a coffee shop. And then again above, there's gonna be 3 levels of condos above this structure right here, which is the garage. Cool. All right, so coming on in here through here. So this is an area that you could do a coffee shop or a restaurant. There's a little kitchenette back here, which is really cool. Come on in and take a look. All right, so we're gonna just head down this way here and we're gonna show you the rest of it. There's a 1-bedroom here. This is a nice little suite here with its own ensuite bathroom. Okay, we're gonna go from the right side up all the way to the top and then down the other side. This place is like Swiss Family Robinson. It is actually master planned. It's full steel framework. So this wasn't just part and piece together, which I originally thought it was. You know, they've just got it as storage, but this is an area that you could do something pretty cool out of. Here is the artist rendering of the spa, and you can actually see what they're doing here. So that is your spa. So there's still quite a bit to be done. Now let's go on up. Look at all the stairs in this house. It's so cool. Now this should be open. They've got it closed off right now, so you'd have direct access to the stairs. So it's a little bit okie dokie right now. Now we're up to another suite. So this is another suite here. We've got its own little patio here, private patio, and the wind coming through here is just, it's a warm day today, so that wind feels like a blessing. Hot tub here. So this is like an indoor-outdoor hot tub. This will be your bathroom. It looks like you're gonna have 2 his and hers sinks over here. You got a bathroom over in the corner. This is the bedroom right here, actually. And this is the render for this here. So you've got your jacuzzi tub over here. And we're gonna keep going. That looks like a little closet. Gonna keep going. Here's another bedroom here. And we've got another render that we can see. This is actually supposed to be a kitchen. That's 1 bedroom. You know, there's just so much you could do with this thing. Let's go up before we go down. I think we're going up to another suite here. I don't get lost. First time here. So on this level, you actually enter, which is kind of weird, into the bathroom. Looks like your toilet's gonna go right here, or maybe the toilet is over here. Yeah, that's probably your toilet right there. I guess this would be your sink over here. I think that's what that is, yeah. 2 bedrooms, 1 to the right, 1 to the left. And another master bedroom with a hot tub and a kind of an indoor-outdoor hot tub with this amazing deck out here looking over the city. And they put up this little privacy wall because there is another building over here. But, you know, you have city night lights. And it looks like another set of stairs down the side here. So that'll take you back down to the other bedroom downstairs. So it's all kind of interconnected. Now let's go up to the rooftop patio. Man, you could get lost in this place so easily. Here we go. And you got a fabulous view to the city, downtown in the marina, out to the ocean of the Sea of Cortez. Do not get close to the edge. So on the render here, they've got this as a pool. A little fire pit here. You'll have a pool. I'm standing basically where these chairs are. So you'd have a pool over there, beautiful lights. You can imagine how cool this would be and how whimsical this place is. It's really quite special. Looks like they've got a little garden here that they were at some time maybe putting flowers and things like that. Let's go back down the other side of the house now. The listing agent told me if we got lost, I'd have to text her. And she wasn't kidding. So now we're back down to the ground level, but on the other side of the property. This here is kind of in behind the little show kitchen that you've seen in the beginning. So you could actually put the real kitchen out here, which is in behind everything, with its own access door that takes you directly out to the two garages. If you can just imagine putting all of your ovens and your stoves and they're cooking out here, that little kitchen that you saw in front here was just the show kitchen. And here's the door to that kitchen right here. There we go. All right, and then if you just can imagine, over on the other side of this wall here was the courtyard, where the chairs and where you could put your little cafeteria. And then this one takes you straight out, back out to where you started. Okay, just to recap on this place, you guys, it's a 12-bedroom proposed building. So all of the permits have been pulled. It's ready to go. The owner just lost steam, lost the wind out of his sails, lost his passion. He just wants to give you guys a gift. Finish this place, and this is going to be a Grand Slam home run. It will be booked non-stop. The 2 bedrooms that are finished already have rental history, so it just proves that this place can work. All you got to do is put a little bit more money into it, but at the price that they're selling it for is a bargain, hugely discounted price. You got a little bit more money to put into this place, but once it's done, man, you got yourself a special property. So if you want some more information on this particular property, guys, give me a call, send me a text message. Make sure you follow me, and we'll see you soon.